Welcome to the Ridge Outdoors. Once again, we're going to be doing another BATTLBOX review. This one is the mystery box. I ordered them at the same time. This one actually came in a little bit earlier, but I opened the other box up first. Back with us is Sarek, and he's going to be unboxing this and testing things out with us again. All right, what do you think of that? Is it gonna be a good one? Alright, so BATTLBOX Mystery Box. And open it up for the first time. And let's see what we got. So first of all, we have some 550 cord. We'll see if there's anything special about it. You can never have too much 550 cord. I have a bunch of random hanks and spools and stuff, but we'll check this stuff out. Got 100 feet. I normally just buy olive drab or just real neutral colors, so it's kind of nice to actually have a fluorescent color here. And it has the Southern Survival logo, so like the BATTLBOX Netflix show. So just like normal 550 cord, 7-strand. Doesn't look like it has any of the fishing line or anything like that in there, but just normal 550 cord is always good. It does have reflective little surfaces on it though, so that's nice. And he thinks it's a chew toy. See if it's Frenchie proof. You approve? All right, good boy. Okay, next we have, it is a Grenade Soap Company. Has some kind of pack. So I think this is just like a microfiber camp towel, which I know these are actually really expensive. I've looked at them before, and for really small ones, they're $20, $30. See how big this one is. So this is, I mean, just a little smaller than a normal size towel, I'd say. It is really thin, really lightweight. Has a little tab to hang on trees and stuff. So all in all, pretty cool. This is a lot bigger than the one I've seen that was $20. So this is probably $30 or $40 out of the $40 pack. And since I ordered these at the same time, I only paid the $10 shipping. I'll give it to the tester. What do you got? He doesn't like that one, but we're gonna get some good use out of that. So it comes with a nice little traveling case. All right, next we have a BattleTac gear pouch. So we'll take this out of here. Oh, he just farted. Stinky dog. Molly's your gear, and that would be a AR-15 or AR-15 mag pouch. So that would just go over top of it. You could probably fit some other stuff in there, maybe even a radio. Pretty easy, but has the Molly system on the front too, so you can attach even more stuff like an M9 mag or something if you wanted. So pretty cool. I like it. See if he approves. Nope, he doesn't like that one. Okay. And looks like the last actual item in here is a Raptor Survival. Looks like a neck knife. Okay, so yep, definitely a neck knife. Looks like it has a little ferro rod on it. And then looking at the knife, it's a really weird shaped knife. I really like the handle. The handle's really cool. The blade is strange. I like it. I mean, it has to be small for a neck knife. Didn't come crazy sharp out of the box, but we can take care of that. Most neck knives, and this does look like a pretty good quality one. That's probably a $30 or $40 knife right there. Pretty easy. So cool stuff. And I like a lot of necklaces I've seen lately, like especially the 550 cord. It's pretty much a fisherman's knot. So it comes together and it's really stable that way. but also it will come apart and you can adjust it on yourself. So pretty cool. Tester, what do we think? And he gets like 3 sniffs, so cool. He likes it. Digging in here, other than that, it does have 25% off for the Carnivore Club. Has 2 of those. Looks like another subscription box. All in all, with everything in the box, the microfiber towel, neck knife with a ferro rod, and a really nice sheath. Some 550 cord that has reflectors on it, and magazine pouch. And then with 25% off coupons for the Carnivore Club, definitely more than a $40 value on that. I'd say these 2 alone are at least $30 a piece if I had to guess, because this one doesn't have a price guide on it. So we'll say $60 there. This is at least 10, between 5 and 10. We'll go closer to 10. What do you want? The dog chew toy is around 10. Magazine pouch. These go for more than I normally want to pay, so I would say that's $10. So we'll say $70 to $80 in value for about $40. So really good deal. If I get a couple more boxes and get some more stuff, I'm getting real close to 2,500 subscribers. So some of these boxes I'll probably throw some of this gear in for a giveaway. So definitely like, comment, subscribe. Say what you think about these reviews. See if you want to see more of Sarek. One of these videos will get my dog in, but he's a lot more loud than him, and he's always prancing around, won't sit still. So if you want to see more Sarek, I'll do some more videos while we have him, and we'll catch you on the next one.